we want to run and leap, but puddles deep make us weep. Sunshine bright, come and stay. Rain, rain, go away. With friends we want to laugh and shout, but soggy ground keeps us out. Clouds, please part, let's have some fun. Rain, go away, be done. Though raindrops dance upon the street, inside we'll find a cozy seat. Books to read and games to play. Rain, rain, go away. But when you've had your fill and fun, and the clouds depart one by one, we'll welcome back your gentle spray. Rain, rain, come another day. When the sky's clear and the sun shines bright, we'll run outside with all our might to splash in puddles and chase away the rainy day blues. Hip, hip, hooray, with rainbows arching across the sky and birds soaring high up so high. We'll dance and sing in the golden light. After the rain, everything's just right. So rain, rain, go and have your play. But when you're done, don't delay, for we'll be waiting, ready to say welcome back. Oh, rainy day, be done, be done, be done, be done. Everything's just right. So rain, rain, go and have your day. But when you're done, don't delay, for we'll be waiting, ready to say welcome back. Oh, rainy day.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.